Hi kids, in today's video we are going to start Unit 4, which is about 2 and 3 letter sounds. So let us revise some more 2 and 3 letter sounds. Remember, we are talking about vowel letters. Here we are going to start with OI words. So let's look, say and match with me. The first exercise here we have is of match each word with the correct pictures. As you can see kids, these are some pictures with some words, and if you can see there are letter combined here, OI, as we are going to learn about OI words. So let's start. The first picture we have is about boil, point, toilet. So we are going to match boil, point and toilet. So kids, if you just understood the sound of oi, oi, that we say point, toilet and boil. Let's move ahead. In the next exercise, we have to look at the pictures, reorder the letters and write the words. These are some pictures with a jumbled word and we have to reorder it. The first one is point. So the spell that is correct of point is P-O-I-N-T. We are supposed to write it here. Next we have soil, S-O-I-L. Third one we have oil, O-I-L. So, here we have learnt about OI words having two letters and their sounds by matching each word with the correct picture and then rearranging the words. Let's move next. Here we have some three-letter words, air, air, air. Recall the three ways of spelling the air sound. Air, chair, air, scare, air, where. However, you can see kids, the spellings here are totally different. This is A-I-R, this is A-R-E and this is E-A-R. However, the sound they are having air are the same. Let's start. We have to look at the pictures, fill in the missing letters with A-I-R, A-R-E or E-A-R sounding air. Pear, P-E-A-R, pear. Chair, C-H-A-I-R, chair. Hair, H-A-R-E, hair. Rest we have some more pictures. Share, S-H-A-R-E, share. Hair, H-A-I-R, hair. Bear, B-E-A-R, bear. So the last three pictures you have to do it on your own kids so that you can identify and check whether you have comprehended the concept of three different spellings A-R-E, A-I-R, E-A-R resounding the same sound as air. Let's move next. It says rhyming words are words that end on a similar sound. Let us learn some more rhyming words. So kids, rhyming words, this is a new concept here. Rhyming words are the words that end on a similar sound. So the words given in the box below are all rhyming words. Write each word under the correct heading. These words are all rhyming words as they end on the same sound. Let's read these words. Dare, repair, hair, fair, scare, near, pair, care, tear. What we have to do, we have to write each word under the correct heading. Here we have three different columns of ARE, EAR and AIR. So we have to differentiate and distribute all these words according to these three columns. Let's start. Let's find out all the words ending at ARE. And we'll write it down and we'll cut it from here. So the first one we find it is dare. Let's write over here. It's done. Next we have is scare, as it also ends at ARE. Let's cut it from the list. Next we have care, CARE. So we are done with this as well. So the last two columns of EAR and AIR, you have to do it on your own, kids, so that you can understand the rhyming words that end on a similar sound. I hope you understood and enjoyed today's video. I'll be back with some more. Till then, take care of yourselves. Bye.